Exploring the meaning of backyard workshop. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: backyard workshop. This phrase might seem simple at first glance, but it carries a lot of interesting nuances and cultural significance. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about the intricacies of the language, this video is for you. First, let's break down the phrase backyard workshop into two parts: backyard and workshop. Backyard refers to the area behind a house. This is typically a private outdoor space for the homeowner, often used for gardening, relaxation, or as a play area for children. Workshop, on the other hand, is a room or building where people engage in manual work or crafts. Workshops are equipped with tools and materials needed for the particular work or hobby. Combining these, a backyard workshop is a workshop set up in the backyard of a house. It's a personal space where individuals can work on their hobbies, crafts, or DIY projects. Now, let's delve into the cultural and social implications of a backyard workshop. In many cultures, a backyard workshop symbolizes creativity, independence, and the do-it-yourself (DIY) spirit. It's a place where people can express themselves, learn new skills, or work on personal projects. The concept also reflects a practical approach to problem solving. Instead of buying new items or hiring professionals, people with backyard workshops often fix things themselves. Additionally, the backyard workshop can be seen as a sanctuary or escape from daily life. It's a private space where one can focus and find peace in their work. Let's see how backyard workshop can be used in sentences. He spends weekends tinkering in his backyard workshop, building everything from birdhouses to furniture. She transformed the old shed into a vibrant backyard workshop where she creates her art. Their backyard workshop is equipped with all the tools needed for carpentry. I hope this video helped you understand the meaning and cultural significance of the phrase backyard workshop. It's not just a physical space, but a symbol of creativity, independence, and practical skills. So, next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll appreciate the depth it carries. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!